Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.